Ben Dan's here from Position Partners. Let's take a look at the Topcon RL-H5B. Let's take a look inside the case of the RL-H5B. We have the unit here featuring the dry cell alkaline batteries, up to 100 hours worth of use of one set of dry cells, 400 metre working range diameter on the RL-H5B, accuracy of plus and minus 3mm at 30 metres, also featuring the height alert function, 600 revs per minute rotation speed, as well as Topcon standard features an IP66 weather rated unit with a 5-year warranty. Featuring in this case is the Topcon LS100D premium receiver. This is a millimetre unit with an LED display. Australian calibration certificate for the unit, featuring that it's been calibrated by a technician in Australia. Here we have in here the RL-H5B instruction manual, as well as the LS100D hand receiver instruction manual, along with our site sticker for where required. So for further servicing and calibration requirements, take a look at topconlaser.com.au or scan your QR code on your box for further details.